Legwork's Fast Fill feature and ASAP list integration are great ways to help keep your schedule booked up with patients that want to see you. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the top of the page and go to To-Do Lists. From there, you'll see our Fast Fill tool here on the left, and you'll click on it. Inside this interface, you'll see that you can select a date for the appointment that you want to fill, the time, and then you'll click on Fill Appointment to get started. So once you have your date and your time, click Fill Appointment. From there, at the top of the screen, we'll choose whether or not we're sending a text message or an email. We'll choose an email for our example. The recipients will be all the patients in your ASAP or short notice list from your practice management software. And if there are specific patients that you don't want to receive it, you can click right here where it says choose who receives this message. When you do so, everybody in the fast fill list will show up, and you can simply uncheck or check off anybody that you want to add or take away from the list. When you have everybody that you want in here, click Continue, and then you'll continue along with your template as normal. You'll be able to choose from pre-made templates or scroll down and just edit the template yourself, just like any other message that you send out through Legwork. This tool does also support our multi-language support, so if you have Spanish or any other language that you've had added into Legwork, you can click the plus sign right here and select another language to have the Spanish language version of the template included. Once you have everything the way that you like it, simply scroll down to the very bottom and you're going to click Send Email. When you do that, it's going to say, are you sure you want to send 2 emails? You'll click Yes, and then it'll queue up the message going out to all the people on the ASAP list. It's going to wait about 5 minutes to actually send that message so that you have a little bit of time to cancel it in case you made any mistakes or want to change who it gets sent to, something like that. You'll click on OK, and then that new appointment that we're trying to fill will show up down here under all of the other appointments that are in progress and trying to fill out right now. So it's currently saying that it's in progress. When it sends, it'll say that it's sent. And then when a patient actually claims the message that's been sent out by responding to it first and essentially claiming the appointment slot for themselves, the rest of the patients in the fast fill list will get a notification that the appointment time has been taken, and then the patient will confirm that they want the time. When they do that, this user interface right here is going to change and show you that the appointment is ready for booking. When it does that, you'll see right here where it currently says sending, it'll say more info. When you click on that, you'll be able to see all the details of the appointment so that you know what you need to put in your practice management software to schedule that appointment for. When you do that, Legwork's automation will kick in after that point because there's a new appointment on the schedule, and we'll take care of confirming them and doing everything that we always do with your appointments. The other thing that you can do with Legwork's new ASAP list or short notice list integration is you can pull up all the people in those lists from your practice management software under your reports. So if we go to reports here in the top middle of the screen and we click on ASAP list, you'll be able to see every single patient that's inside the ASAP list and use the reports tab for all the things that we use the reports tab for. So you can isolate patients, you can send message blasts to the entire group. This gives you the functionality to be able to reach out to these patients for things other than the fast fill feature. So maybe the ASAP list patients need to be sent something specific to just them. You can do that here through the reports tab as well as over in the to-do list. So it just gives you a little flexibility on how you can interact with those people. If you have any questions about the new Fast Fill feature or any of our ASAP or short notice list integration, feel free to reach out to Legwork support. But other than that, that covers the feature. Thank you so much and have a great day.